Okay, so we'll be installing black interior in my 2005 Volkswagen Beetle 1.9 TDI, the PD100 engine. I have silver interior, as you can see. Hate it. Been driving the car like that for 4 years and never been able to find good condition black interior, but finally found some, and we'll be installing that today. That's the rear. Sorry if it's too dark, but yeah, that's how it is. I already have like this panel here in black and also a black glove box. I've got that a while ago, well, this year, a couple of months ago, but now it's time to get everything else changed into black interior, which I was really excited about. And also I've changed the steering wheel from the stock one to a Mark IV Golf GTI steering wheel, which is really lovely. I'll need to get better seats though, still have the stock seats. That's my engine bay right now. We'll possibly be installing the scuttle panel as well, as my one has a crack right there. And yeah, first I'll probably need to clean some of these panels because this is a bit dirty, but the other ones, the door cards and the center console, is already cleaned off. Also, I've just realised I'm a complete idiot. I brought my tripod over here to possibly get like shots from here of me changing that, but that won't be possible because I forgot my connection for the tripod at home. And I'm at my friend's garage and it's a bit of a drive away and I can't be bothered since we're already here. My mate will be joining me later, he's away getting food right now, so yeah. I'll start going at it and then my mate will join me later on. Gonna start off with cleaning this middle bit. Well, not really cleaning it, just putting some odour remover over it and then wiping it with a microfiber. So yeah, but I will also clean it up a bit from just the dust that has all over it. I'm gonna love the black interior once it's fully installed. Okay, so starting off with removing the door cards.
I've lost my fucking bit again! For fuck's sake, where's it went?
Well, that's my mate Daniel. He's letting me use his garage and helping me with this.
I'm losing everything.
Typical. So that one will be going here, and that one will be going there. Daniel's already started with the passenger door, and I'll get on with the driver door. Come on. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Ah, there you go.
Something fell there. Oh, that'll be the thing that I put in ages ago. Ah, yeah, it was.
Was it the reflector?
Yeah.
This has been living in his door ever since I accidentally pushed it in.
Alright. Smelly bastard. Yeah, you could have left it on that side or something.
Could have walked in the front, am I?
Well, you need to pick this one up anyway. Fucking hell, it was dirty in here, man. Okay, just a quick little update. That door card's on. That one's not, because this one has the locking switch and this one doesn't. So I decided it'll keep this panel here, like this bit here, because it's so much nicer and there's no scratches on it. Meanwhile my one does. And it's just gonna cable tie these wires. So just waiting on Daniel coming back to get the cable ties. There he is. But that's looking so much better.
100 times better.
I even had to sit down and close the door just to have a feel. Oh my god, what a difference. Honestly, feels so much better. Plus, got these reflectors. I did have the reflectors here, but they snapped off. Oh, so excited. Okay, next, gonna take this bit apart. Hopefully my leg's not in the way. But it just pulls off, just like that. And voila, that is installed. Can't really see too much, but hopefully it's better on whatever you're watching, because this is quite dark on my camera. Oh, so excited to get everything in.
Safety glasses.
Yeah, so what's Daniel doing there is the door switch on this new door card on passenger side is not the same as the current one, and I still want to be able to, well, at least I still want the passenger to be able to control the window. Like the lock thing doesn't matter, but like control the window at least. So that needs a bit of cut in there to put in the old switch, because the new switch on from this door card, it is slightly different and it has a different connection than what my door has. So yeah, doing a bit of modification. Yeah. We also did the same modification with that switch right there, because as you can see on that door card, there's like those tiny little notches there, and had to make those notches onto this door, because that switch was also different, and I didn't get a new switch with this door card. So yeah, that's what's happening right now.
Yeah, bro.
And also managed to get the back door cards. Well, they're not really door cards, but same difference. But the back's installed. Now, while Daniel's doing that, yeah, fucking cloud machine. Oh no. Yeah, anyway, while he's doing that, I'll get to the center console. And hopefully it should be finished quite soon. Right, well that's the center console out, which is a bastard. The handbrake's a bastard. The gear knob's a bastard, because Volkswagen couldn't do a screwy thing. There's a stupid clip thing. But yeah, got that out, and that's the final thing to install. Okay, that's everything in. The back as well. That's everything in. didn't get to record as much as I wanted to, plus don't have time to do the
Yeah, bro.
scuttle panel.
Bro's got to work at 6 in the morning.
Yeah, currently what time is it?
It was 10 probably a while ago. No, 10:10.
Let's see. Yeah, it's 10:08 and I have work in less than 8 hours, so I still need to go for a shower, get something to, well, I need to get something to eat, go for a shower, and try sleep. So, we'll get the scuttle panel another time, but now it's
Another
just...
day, another victory royale for you.
Oh. Still need to clean all this up, so it'll be another like... yeah, about 20 minutes, at minimum 20 minutes, plus we're waiting on someone else coming as well, because we got a gear knob for him as well that he needs, so yeah, looks like 3 hours of sleep for me. What do you think?
Oh, it looks so much better.
Oh, I know.
No, we need to days down the headliner.
Yeah, the headliner is... but like, I don't know, I've
The whole
not...
bottom half of the car, it gives you a different vibe.
Yeah, like if you feel more badass sitting in there, even though it's a Beetle, but it's 1.9, it's a PD.
It's a
But-
TDR race, mate.
Oh, I love that as well. Felt spec.
Yeah, I found that this
Yeah, well, we'll finish that another day, and then when I have more stuff to put on the car or more stuff to do with the car, I'll probably record again. This is probably a shitty first video of working on the car, but hopefully we'll get more.
Yeah, bro.
Anything to say to the audience?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, see if I hold it like this, does it actually see me?
It does, yeah.
Oh.